So I've already got these beautiful looking LED strip lights set up in the studio. They look good and that, but I feel like there's something missing and I could make them look better. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way of making them look clean and finished. So how I've got them currently, you can see it just looks like a raw finish, and I don't want it to look like that no more. I want the clean finished look, so it just ties in with the studio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a diffuser over him. So I'm going to take my lighting game. Well, you can take your lighting game from okay to fire. So I bought these diffusers from Amazon probably about a year ago now, and it comes with trunking. You've got the trunk in here, got the light sitting, and then you've got the diffuser that sits on top. So we're going to see how that goes, see if it makes a difference. So the first mistake I made, I've done a bit of research, and as it happens, the deeper the trunking is from the diffuser, the more blurred the LED lights will look. So it still might have the dots there, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm just going for the clean finish. So simple DIY project that's going to boost your creative space. When you take these lights out of the packet, you'll have a sticky back that you can peel off and you just stick to the surface. The plan for this is just to do the space that you can see behind me. So I'm not trying to do the whole room because it goes around the whole room. So if I just do that piece behind me there and that piece there and the top piece, then we should be good, because I don't know how much of the material I've got, if it will stretch. But I think I've said enough, let's just get into it. So I almost had a mini meltdown because couldn't find the screws, but I had them in the cabinet there. So yeah, I'm happy. The only thing is, the amount of screws is just that. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work, because that that does not look like it's gonna be enough screws for me to do what I need to do. Yeah, see how it goes. No accidents. Yeah, so how am I expected to fix that onto there then? So that piece, I'll say, is long enough for there. If we can just get over that light there. And then the smaller pieces, I can just cut where need be. So I have to peel off. I have to peel off the lighting stuck to the board. It's literally ripping the board. Stuck on so well. And I'm just gonna tack it. Just gonna put a small tack in there, or I could put a screw. Might hold it better. Try the tack for now, see how that goes. No, it's not. The head's not wide enough. Just gonna go in with a screw. Actually looks really nice, you know. I'm just gonna put another one just here, just above the speaker, just to hold it secure. I'm not 100% happy with how it's not clipping in. It should just clip in. Yeah. Sort that piece out properly. So I'll just create a quick hole there. Stick the light to it, if it will stick. But if it won't stick, then I've got some double-sided tape that I can use. Probably won't stick because of the board that is peeled off from before. I might have been better off using the double-sided tape just then to secure it. I think it should be okay, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on there. Make sure it's in the right place. Right about there. Stick that there, and that's lovely. Let's get the first bit of diffusion on it. See how that looks, or shall we wait? Yeah, let's wait. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the longer pieces first, that and then that piece there, and then if I do that, once I've done them 2 pieces, then I can do the longer pieces. That way I know how much I need to cut, because there's a short piece on that side and I don't want to start cutting unnecessarily. So yeah, let's just do that. So this next piece is concrete, but because it's only a little flimsy piece of trunking, so I don't feel like I need to create a hole, drill a hole for it and put a raw plug into there and do all that stuff. I don't think it's necessary. So what I'm going to do is, same as before, just put the screw straight in and see how that goes, because I'm not going to be swinging on it or anything. So yeah, let's just do that. Helps if you've got a screw. So I'm going to put this one about here, just where the joint is. No, that's not the greatest, so it looks like I'm going to have to drill a small hole and get the raw plug in there. Didn't want to do all that because now it's just going to be long, so long. So I've tried using the drill and the drill bit won't go through the wall. Don't know if there's some extra bits of steel there or something. It's not happening. So what I'm going to use is some double-sided tape and oops, yeah, just going to stick that on using that instead, because using that drill is making me sweat and I don't want to sweat. But no, the double-sided tape should be cool, because like I said, I'm not going to be swinging off it. So I've tried using the double-sided tape for this and it's not the strongest, but I think it will work. I think it will stay. I feel like it will stay. So I'm just going to leave that as it is, because like I said, I can't drill into the wall, so I can't get the raw plugs in. So it just don't make no sense. So I'm just going to leave that like that and then get a smaller piece in there using again the same old same double-sided tape. That should be right. The ceiling part should be cool because that's plasterboard, so I don't have to drill. I can just go straight in with screws, drywall screws. Ideally you would, if you're hanging stuff that's heavy, you would want to use drywall screws and drywall wall plugs, but I'm not doing that today. I think I'm going to need double-sided tape again, just because that's not going to stick. So I need to cut 2 measurements, one at 160 and one at 640. 640 going that way and that 160 piece just to tie in there. I might as well cut all the pieces now while I'm at it. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Cut them first and then, no, I won't, just in case. Anyway, the 2 pieces I need is 160 and 640. Let's get that cut and put up. As I thought, I don't have enough trunking, so I'm gonna have to order some more from Amazon just to finish off the room. I've got enough to do that piece. Yeah, just actually I've got enough to do the parts that I said I would, but I feel like I want to finish off the rest eventually, so just about got enough. So I've managed to get the trunking up now, and as you could guess, the piece there fell down in the corner. So the small hole that I've managed to drill, I've just cut the wall plugs, raw plugs, to fit in the hole, and then use a small screw, and it's nice and snug and secure now. So all that's left to do now is just put the diffuser on and then see how that looks. So I just wanted to taper the corners so that there's a good finish rather than it being square against each other. So to do that, all I've done is took the offcut and then used the offcut as a template. So I want to taper that so that it sits nice there. So I'm just going to use this offcut just to cut round, make it curved so it fits nice. Alright, so we're back in the studio now, and the only lights I've got on is the IKEA lights, strip lights from IKEA. I'm going to turn those off as well because I just want to see what it's like with these new diffusers on. So I've got the app, the lights are turned off at the moment, so I'm going to turn off the IKEA lights. Just going to go pitch black and then turn them on. Yeah, nice. Nice. I thought it would be darker than this, but they look good. I like it. As you can see down there, there's 3 or 4 lights that are without the diffuser because I still need to lengthen that piece there. You can see the difference the diffuser makes. Even though it is quite blurry, how the camera's picking it up, it's still, you can still see the dots. Oh, actually, I haven't done that part. All right, so that part needs to be finished. So I'm going to order some more from Amazon to get that part done. But then this part here has got the diffuser in it, so you can see the difference out of the two. And remember, the deeper the trunking, the less you're going to see the dots and the lights. But I think that looks good. I think that looks really good. I like it. I'm happy with it. And with the other set of lights on, the IKEA lights. Yeah, looking good. I thought it would be darker, but it still seems quite bright. And I'm happy with how that looks. Wow, definitely way more time consuming than I thought it would be. Yeah, it's just so finicky and fidgety. And if you're going to do something like this, I would strongly recommend that you do it before you put your lights on, your LED strip lights to your ceiling or to your walls. But if you're doing it backwards like me, just be prepared to take a little bit of time trying to get it all fixed and fitted in. And because I had to use double-sided tape to get the LED strips to stick on the trunking because it lost its stickiness. It was obviously not sticking. So you could see we was pushing forward onto the diffuser and it just looked like a brighter light to the other parts that was stuck down. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Bear that in mind. That's going to take some time to do, but the results is definitely worth it. As I said already, I'm going to complete the rest, finish it off so it all ties in and looks nice, all looks the same, because I feel it does add that extra element to the studio and I'm liking it. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think. If you've done it already yourself, share your comments and I'll see you in the next video.